Let me challenge you. Can you build a Python program that talks to a user? Not just printing, but asking questions, taking answers, and responding back. If you can't do that yet, don't worry, by the end of this video, you will. Let's start with the basic. Output means displaying something to the user. In Python, we use print with parentheses. Example, print inside parentheses, welcome to my program. Whatever you put inside print with parentheses, Python will show it on the screen. You can also print variables, name, assign a value like John. After that, print name or combine text and variables. Now it feels a bit more personal, but still the user didn't do anything yet. Now comes the interesting part. Input means taking data from the user. In Python, we use input with parentheses. Let's try this. Name, assigning input, enter your name. When you run this, the program pauses, wait for the user to type something. That's interaction. Now let's combine everything. Print hello class name. What happens now? Program asks your name, you type something. It responds back. That's your first interactive program. Now here's something many beginners don't know. Input with parentheses always gives you text, even if you type a number. Let's test it. Age as an input, enter your age, print, type age. The output will be, that's mean it's a string. So if you try this, you will get an error because Python says text plus number not allowed. To fix this, we convert the input into a number. Age, assign int, input, enter your age, print age plus 5. Now it works perfectly. Input with parentheses gives a string. Int with parentheses converts to integer. And float with parentheses converts to decimal. Now let's build something slightly better. Now your program talks to the user, uses logic, and gives meaningful output. This is real programming. So today you learn how to display output using print function, how to take input using input function, and how to build interactive programs. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to follow this Python series step by step. I will see you in the next video.